This is a question which is on functions as well as quadratic equations. This came up in CAT 2020 slot 2, a moderate level difficulty question. I would suggest pause this video, try to solve this question on your own, and then proceed with the rest of this solution. So this one says f of x equals x square plus ax plus b, and g of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x minus 1. Okay. If f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all real x, then g of 20 and g of 20 is equal to 72, what is the minimum possible value of b? So you need to find minimum value of b. b is this constant term in the quadratic equation. Okay, so let's try to figure out what do we have here. Okay, so g of 20 is 72. Now what is g of 20? G of 20 is going to be, if I substitute the value, will be equal to f of 21 minus f of 19, right? So if I put 21 here, this will be 21 square plus 21a plus b minus 19 square plus 19a plus b. This value is equal to 72. So b will get cancelled. 21 square minus 19 square. I can do this as 21 plus 19 into 21 minus 19. A plus b into a minus b. So that will be 40 into 280. And this will be 21 minus 19. So plus 2a equals 72. So a will be equal to 72 minus 80 is minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2 will be minus 4. So I know the value of a, but I need the minimum value of b. How do we do that? We need to go to this relation. Now this relation says that f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic function, right? And the coefficient of x square is positive. So the graph will always open upwards. So you can have something like this, something like this, or something like this. Right here, the discriminant is greater than 0. Here, the discriminant is equal to 0. Here, discriminant is less than 0. It does not intersect the y-axis, right? I want f of x to be greater than or equal to 0, which means I want the discriminant should be less than or equal to 0. Right. So if your original equation was ax square plus bx plus c, this was the original quadratic function, right? I am writing it in capital to ensure that I don't get confused with this. Then your discriminant would be b square minus 4ac. Now this value has to be less than or equal to 0. Now what is b here? B here is small a minus 4. A is equal to 1 and c is equal to small b. This should be less than or equal to 0. Let's rewrite this. So you will get 4b is greater than or equal to a square. A square is 16, which means b has to be greater than or equal to 4, right? So minimum value of b will be 4, option C. About 2 minutes in an exam situation, you need to understand, you need to get your basics about the properties of function as well as properties of a quadratic function. Once you do that, problem is not too difficult. That completes this particular question.